Pulling together a Halloween costume doesn't have to fall within the traditional get-ups for superheroes and princesses. Why not encourage your kids to throw together some imaginative characters that are all their own? I like to call this freestyle costumes. Grab a trunk, a suitcase, a dresser, a basket, and fill it with an interesting selection of things to mix, match, and interchange. Old costumes can be tailored and combined into something completely new. Let the kids tear into things and reconfigure. Fill it with odds and ends, accessories, scarves, headbands, hats. Versatile clothing like long underwear and leotards can be turned into just about anything. Kids love to play dress up, and Halloween is the perfect time to let those natural skills shine. Don't make Halloween a store-bought affair. Make it fun, make it imaginative, and make it your own.